Hey, this is shawnshawn. I want to do a tip of the day. And my tip is on SEO, which is search engine optimization. Now, it's a little bit older because it's kind of like how to rank within Google, which isn't as important as it once was. Now it's kind of Facebook, Instagram. Now they have YouTube and as well as TikTok if you want to get on that. So there's a lot more different social media to be on. But SEO is basically how you rank within the Google. Now, what I would recommend is first make sure the name you're using is not common. If it's a common or some celebrity already is squatting it, you might want to change it up a little bit so you rank for that versus trying to outrank a celebrity. It's impossible. For example, my real name is the same as Jay-Z, so it's impossible to rank for that, so I don't even bother. So I changed up my artist name, and that way I try to rank for that. So the way you rank for it is do videos, link to your website. Do blogs, link to your website. Do Facebook posts, link to your website. Twitter posts, link to your website. Any kind of social media, link back to your website. And as well, try to get featured on guest blogs, guest interviews. Like if you get interviewed by another artist, I do guest artists, and that's just kind of feed off of those links from their site to my site. And that'll really help you rise up the rank. And if you look up my name, shawnshawn, you're going to see I dominate the whole page of Google, which other people think, oh, that's crazy. Why you waste your time with that? But the thing is, no one finds another shawnshawn on the first page of Google. So that's kind of what you want to do for your own name. Make sure it's unique and rise out. Push all the other versions of that name past page 1 of Google. No one will find them, and that'll help you rank as an artist. That's my tip of the day.